Hello gamers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix PS5 Slim Error WV-109144-9, which prevent you from connecting to the server. So let's get started. So the first solution is check PSN status. So open the web browser in your mobile phone or in your PC and then visit the official website of status.playstation.com. This page provides real-time updates on the status of the PSN, including any ongoing outages or server issue. Right now you will see all services are up and running. Also you will see that account management, gaming and social PlayStation video all are in a good condition. Solution 2, restart your PS5 Slim. Press and hold the power button, you will hear a beep and your console will turn off. And remove the power cable from your console and wait for about 20 minutes until the power is drained, and connect the cable back and select then press the power button to turn on your console, and then go to check if the error WV109144-9 is removed. Solution 3, improve internet connection. So firstly check the ethernet, plug one end to the ethernet cable into the LAN port of on your PS5 Slim, and then connect the other end to the Ethernet cable to a available LAN port on your router or modem. And go to settings on your PS5 Slim and navigate to network settings and then select setup internet connection and choose the wired LAN option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now we see now optimize Wi-Fi connection. Move your PS5 Slim closer to the Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal and ensure there are no physical obstruction between the console and the router. After that, go to settings on your PS5 and navigate to network settings. And then select setup internet connection and choose the Wi-Fi option and select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now we see router maintenance. Turn off your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it from the power source and then wait for about 30 seconds and then plug the router back in and turn it on, and access your router settings through a web browser by entering the router IP address, and then look for the firmware update option in the settings, and if an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the firmware update. Solution 4, open specific port. Reach out your internet service provider and request them to open TCP port, and there are the codes of the TCP port and the UDP ports are here. Use online tools to verify that the ports are open and properly configured. Solution 5, adjust DNS setting. Go to the setting and then network, and here you will see set up internet connection. And then choose your network and then select advanced settings, and here you will see DNS settings manual. And after that, set primary DNS is 8.8.8.8, and then select DNS as 8.8.4.4 and save the changes and restart your console to check if the error is resolved. Solution 6, contact PlayStation support. So, if you are still unable to connect to the server and the error code persists, it's time to reach out the PlayStation support. They have a dedicated team of experts who can help you troubleshoot and resolve any issue you are facing. Visit the PlayStation website or give them a call to get personalized assistant. So that's all for this video. We hope this video was helpful and that you are back to gaming in your no time. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more help gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.